Hi guys, this is a Riso finger, so we're gonna change it. The one inside is not fine, so we're gonna show you how to change it. It's still showing us taking out the old one.
And yeah, only 6 steps here. So you know what I mean?
It's out. You took it out. This one is broken. You can see the difference of the two. I can't see. Yeah, one is broken, one is sharp. So we're using this one. It's sharp. Okay. Okay. It's gonna put it in. Is this the old one?
No, this is I'm putting this one.
Okay.
Let me take the motor out. Okay, finish up there.
You put it.
Yeah, no, I'm putting this in. See, it goes in like that. You can see it now. Goes in like that, okay. And then the clamp, you move it to the end.
Okay, that's good. And we're gonna make maybe a copy. So up there, you show them after because it's a bit hectic there. You can't see.
You see, the only problem here, only problem here, my hands are too big.
Too big.
Yeah. You see?
You're supposed to take out something here to get more light for you. Yeah. Now we have more light, you can see.
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's fine now. You can see it's put on with a clamp, so now it's gonna attach it to the board. I'm gonna try to squeeze. Yes, put it in there.
Oh, okay.
But now my eyes get a 140.
That's a great now.
Just no, that is sleep. That's why I don't worry too much about it. That is sleep.
So I'm gonna put in the screw.
I got the Isuzu shop.
Yeah.
But if I get it, it's like my own.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. Okay.
Yeah, probably not. That part of the gas.
Fuck. Second.
Second.
This job, man.
I didn't see that. I'm looking at the fact check. I'm looking back.
The two screws. Good. Guys, we're done with that, so he's gonna put on the bush. Oh, you put it already? Okay, put on the bush, but there is something which is missing there. So that yeah, you have to put that.
Yeah. Anesh. Anesh.
Even though it's smashed after it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in the wages.
The bush goes on the outside or the inside?
Outside, the
The
inside.
outside or the inside?
The bush?
Yeah.
On the outside? Because you put it in center.
Goes in like that.
Make sure it's snug, right? No play in the back. Don't push it too much back. Now push it, push it. No. Open the back cover.
Huh?
The bush must be out in the back. Let's open the back cover there, Shah. Give me the screwdriver.
Yeah, it is out in the back.
Give me the screwdriver.
Let's go to the shop.
I'll do it. Sit down.
Calm down.
Calm down. You know the song? Calm down. You always got to be laughing. Okay. You know what happens when a person don't laugh?
I don't know.
You no.
It faces this side. Okay, that way, yeah. It's like that. Thanks.
Banana.
1 second.
Everything is cool.
It's cool, man. You heard it?
I can see. Yeah, it should be like this.
Yes.
Yeah, because I saw on another Riso it was facing this side. The way it is.
Yes.
Give me the star and adjust the thing like that.
It's done.
Can I put it back on?
Yeah.
We just put it back up.
Did they take this out?
No, they didn't. They didn't. Like,
No.
there's paper, that's why it's like that. No. It is not a stress. I don't think it's a stress.
Yeah. It's always a bit of you need to buying stuff because you know
That's the thing. At least
not
most
that I dropped off the washing machines.
At least most stuff I can pick it up.
Yeah.
Hey, kids, don't play around. Go.
I want to do
Submit.
And you want it, yes?
Oh, this one, right? Yeah,
Yes,
this
it's
one.
gone. Huh?
It's not aligned well.
This one, but I'm right.
Something is not good.
I was screwing in the wrong place.
Yeah, he backed up. Small guys.
Wow, that's fine, guys. Yeah,
7,
we're done with that job. Thanks, guys.
He got